Hello? Oh, hey, how are you? Hey, yeah, did you get the treats? Well, he specifically wanted peanut butter. Yeah, peanut butter, treats, yeah, because we're gonna go for a ride later. We're gonna go to, I think we're gonna go for a ride and go to daycare. Camp, yeah. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm hoping that Sarah will be there and Farrell. Maybe Grandma, or I definitely think that we're gonna eat some treats. We're gonna see Sarah. We're gonna see Grandma. Maybe we'll see Bella, or I'm not sure yet though. But maybe we'll go for a walk. We'll go potty. We'll see Grandma, and maybe we'll go get some tacos. We can go get a taco. Maybe some. He doesn't know what a taco is. He's never had one.